y'all, I'm about to burn up. Hey guys, I'm Tamara and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on the Too Faced Under the Christmas Tree Holiday Collection. This consists of 3 palettes. I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys and we're just going to jump right into it. So the collection comes with 3 palettes and you can put them together and it looks like a really cute little pink Christmas tree with gold stars on it. You can take them apart and this is suede material. Oh my god, it feels so soft. And this bottom palette consists of your cool colors. And then you have this middle palette that consists of your warm colors. And then you have this top palette right here, and this is your bronzer, your blush, and your highlight. So I'm going to show you guys how I recreated this look with these palettes, and then I'm going to give you a little bonus look at the end, so make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead and did my primer, my foundation, my concealer, all that good stuff. That way we can just go ahead and get right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bottom of the Christmas tree. We're gonna be using this palette for this look. This is the Cool Colors, which are these ones right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with my transition color, which is Dream Come True. Alright, so the next color I'm going to be using is Under the Mistletoe, which is this dark brown over here. We're going to want to focus this on the outer corners and then just bring it into our crease. Trust me guys, the more you just blend, the better it's gonna look. I know it's time consuming, but that's what you have to do to get a good looking eye. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just get some concealer and we're gonna do a cut crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and dip into this green right here. So some shimmery colors do better, you know, when you dab it on with your finger. Some of them do okay with dabbing it on with a brush. It seems like this color is kind of hard to show up, so I am just taking some with my finger and filling in the spots that aren't really showing up. And then I'm just going to use my brush to get in these hard to reach areas, like the corner of my eye and up at the top of the crease. So that is finished, and I'm going to take a little flat brush like this. I'm going to put some concealer on it and we're going to clean up these edges right here. And then I'm just going to blend the concealer out. And you can drag it under your eye too. Okay, so you see how much sharper that made it look? So now we're going to go ahead and use the top of the tree. This is the bronze and the blush and the highlight. And then I'm going to grab some of that blush. This is kind of a sparkly blush, so it doesn't really show up as much as, you know, a matte blush. Oh my god, I can't talk. Then we're gonna use this highlighter right here and highlight them cheeks. That's really pretty. You know, it's not like out there how I like my highlighters, but this is a subtle glow, I guess. It's really pretty though. Put some on my nose and on the tip of it. My Cupid's bow. And then I always like to put some on my chin just so it looks like I have a glow at all angles. Some up here a little bit. Alright, so I just went ahead and added the NYX Lingerie Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the color Lipley. And that completes this look, you guys. This is a really sophisticated look. I think it's cute and glamorous. This green reminds me of like Christmas trees and, you know, Christmas time. I think this would be a really cute look in the winter. Again, this is what it looks like. I will say that there was no fallout. They're all really light, so I will say that I did have to kind of pack them on there to get the color to show. So make sure that you guys stay tuned for my bonus look using the Warm palette. That's the end of this look, you guys. That was using the middle of the Christmas tree. It's this palette right here. It's the warm colors. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys like the other look using the cool palette. I feel like you've got your nudes, you've got your browns, you got your pinks, your warm colors, and I feel like that's really all you need. And on top of that, it came with this top little palette with your bronzer, your blush, and your highlight. And I think you can make all kinds of looks with these three palettes. I feel like if you're in a rush to go somewhere, you can just throw these three palettes, boom, in your purse and take it with you. And you can make all kinds of looks with these palettes. I feel like if you're a beginner, these palettes would be really good for you. Like, these are your essentials pretty much. Like, if you don't feel like going through the research to look for a good bronzer, a good blush, like a good highlight. Like, this is a really good trio set. It also came with a Better Than Sex mascara. I think I misplaced it, so that's why I didn't use it in this video, but it also comes with a good mascara, you guys. And this trio was only $50. This is a $370 worth of makeup, so for $50, y'all, you got a deal. Like, it came in this little box right here. It's super cute. This would be a really cute Christmas gift, maybe for your mom or for a friend. You know, people who aren't too comfortable with doing their makeup but still like to be cute for the holidays. Like, who doesn't want to be cute for the holidays? So yeah, I think this is a really good set. I definitely recommend this set. It is Tamara approved. I tried to incorporate all the palettes into this video. I didn't want to just do one look from one palette, so I gave you a warm look and I gave you a cooler look. I feel that you can wear both looks during the winter time. They're both super cute. It just depends on whatever mood you're in. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up if you do. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more holiday makeup looks. I will definitely be doing more reviews on holiday palettes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.